tapestry above the bed you gave me. I still haven't washed my sheets, 'cause
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So today is a 5 a.m. morning routine. This is what I do every day. I wake up around 5, okay, and I brush my teeth, wash my face before I come to the kitchen. So right now it's 5:15, so I spend like 15 minutes in the bathroom. Like, you pee, you wash your face, you gather yourself before you get up. Yeah, so right now I want to make school lunch for madam. So I make school lunch for her every day, okay, like different food every day. So I wake up around 5 in the morning to get her ready for school. So I want to make meatball. So before I do that, I always go with tea. I go with my green tea. I take green tea, okay? That is what I use to start up my day. Before I eat any other thing in my mouth, I make sure I have green tea. If I don't have green tea in the house, I have any tea in the house. If I have anything in the house, I take that first before I start up my day. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. My name is Jessica Tronovek. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Nigeria. I'm a stay-at-home mom and I'm on a fitness journey. So I'm just showing you all my morning routine, okay, as a mom and as someone that is keeping fit. Anyway, guys, so I'm going to allow you enjoy the rest of the video.
when the sun goes down in my heart and the loneliness appears, when I feel inclined to make sweet love with her, but she's not here. I remember those times between us that seem so far from today, but they're all that I have to cling to. And so when I get to feeling this way, I extract the sweet from the sorrow, pretend to dwell back in yesterday.
So love, this is what I added in the meatball spices, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. So I added all these spices inside the minced meat, and I'm going to be making a meatball. So this meatball is a very soft one. I love soft meatball. So in case you want to achieve soft meatball, you can try this recipe. All right. So I added cooking oil inside, and just a little bit, mix everything together. Then I'll add 1 egg, mix everything together. Then I'll add my breadcrumbs. So the breadcrumbs I use is a very little one. I did not add plenty breadcrumbs in the minced meat. Yes, so to get that soft meatball. Okay, but if you mistakenly over pour breadcrumbs inside your meat, just add milk will make it a bit soft. Okay, I learned that from my sister. Yeah,
I can taste her love, her love's what I need to complete these daydreams, my daydreams, by the bay, by the bay. In those days before her journey to her meeting with the Lord, we would lie here by this water, and we touch an uncommon chord with the love of life all around us, sharing ocean, sand, and sky. We would take what life
Now when the meatball is time to make the sauce, so in a pan, I'm going to add my oil and add the tomato. So first of all, I want to boil water for pasta. Okay, the important thing is to boil water for pasta and let the water be boiling before you make your sauce. Okay, so anytime you want to make pasta, make sure that your sauce is ready first before your pasta, so that your pasta don't get cold and soggy. So I added oil, then I'm going to be frying the meatball first, okay, before I make the sauce. So fry it both sides to make it golden brown before you bring it out. Then you move on to making your sauce.
To offer, but those days are gone. Sometimes I still cry. Then I extract the sweet from the sorrow, pretend to dwell back in yesterday, so I can taste her love. Her love's what I need to complete these daydreams, my daydreams by the bay, by the bay.
As I look out to the sea, still wondering why the Lord had to steal her. Now I can feel her, 'cause she's not here right now.
Still breathing with me,
Still breathing with me.
yeah. So I extract the sweet from the sorrow, pretend.
After frying the meatball, I'm adding in my onions, garlic, and I'm going to be using tomato paste for this. So if you have fresh tomato, you can use the blended fresh tomato or plum tomato, or you can mix the fresh tomato and the tomato paste together. Okay, but for today's video, I'm using tomato paste. And yeah, so after this, I'm going to fry it very very well. Then I'll add the rest of the ingredients, which is my other spices you guys are seeing over there. Yeah, so this is what I did this early morning, and as I was cooking this, it was already reaching to 6, okay, in the morning. So I wake her up around 6:30. I make sure her lunch is ready before I wake her up for to get her ready for school. So let me know in the comment section if you're a mom that cooks from Monday to Friday for your child for school lunch. When do you wake up? Do you wake up around 5? Do you wake up around 6? Or do you wake up around 4:30? Let me know in the comment section. So I watched a video on IG of a lady saying she's watching a mom preparing school lunch for her child, and she woman wakes up around 5:30, about 5 o'clock thereabout, but she's waking up around 6:30 because she's packing school assignments. So I was just smiling. Anyway guys, the sauce is almost ready. So right now I want to cook the pasta. The pasta water is ready. I'll just put in my pasta and allow it to boil. So, and I'll start packing her school lunch before I wake her up for school.
Dwell back in yesterday, so I can taste her love. Her love's what I need to complete these daydreams, my daydreams by the bay, by the bay,
By the bay.
when the sun goes down in my heart.
So we are done, and I'm packing her food. I put food for her, like to her portion. I know she can finish. Then I added water, and I'm going to giving her juice and biscuit and chocolate as well. This biscuit is her favorite right now. She loves this biscuit a lot. Then I'm giving her this chocolate biscuit, and I'm giving her juice. Yeah, so this is what I pack for my daughter for school. And when she comes back from school, the juice and chocolate and the rest is all gone. The food, sometimes she comes back with maybe small portion, or she does not come back with anything. So that's how I know if she finished her food or not. Okay, so right now the time is look, this is the time, guys. So this is the time right now, and it's time for me to wake her up for her to get ready for school. So I have to finish my tea before I wake her up. The tea was quite bitter, no sugar. I drink green tea like that without sugar. So I need to prep everything and fetch water, boil water, bring out her bath, bring out her toothpaste, like keep everything ready. So when I just wake her up, now you just do this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm trying to say, but anyway, I'm trying to play music, gospel music, to continue with the flow. So I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Please give the video a huge and massive thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, shared, comment, and yeah, please enjoy the rest of the video.
By the bay. When the sun goes down in my heart and the loneliness appears, when I feel inclined to make sweet love with her, but she's not here, I remember those times between us that seems so far from today, but they're all that I have to cling to. And so when I get to feeling this way, I extract the sweet from the sorrow, pretend to dwell back in yesterday, so I can taste her love. Her love's what I need to complete these daydreams, my daydreams, by the bay, by the bay. In those days before her journey to her meeting with the Lord, we would lie here by this water, and we touch an uncommon chord with the love of life all around us, sharing ocean, sand, and sky. We would take what life had to offer, but those days are gone sometimes.
So we're done having our bath, and it's time for me to give her breakfast. So she's having these Cocoa Pops and milk. And this, to feed her, it takes like another 30 minutes or another 1 hour. But I try to wrap it up because her school bus normally come early. So I need to get her ready before 7:15. Yeah, so this is just me. I'm trying to fill in back the jar for our milk. Okay, so and I'm feeding her breakfasts, and she's also watching from song. It turned to cartoon. She's there watching cartoon, and our little puppy is already up as well.
You cry, then I extract the sweet from the sorrow, pretend to dwell back in yesterday, so I can taste her love. Her love's what I need to complete these daydreams, my daydreams, by the bay, by the bay.
As I look out to the sea, still wondering why the Lord had to steal her. Now I can't feel her, 'cause she's not here right now.
Still breathing with me,
So loves, I am done and this is what is left for me to wash. I need to wash the dishes before I start my own day. I have finished prepping her for school, so she's just waiting for the school bus to come pick her up. So I'm just going to be washing these dishes before I start another day. And after I wash the dishes, I'm going to be making my coffee and my coffee my coffee mixture for my gymming, because I mix coffee with Milo and milk. It helps me, it gives me what I call energy, like energy boost. Okay, so I've been doing that and it has been working for me.
When the sun goes down in my heart by the bay.
So guys, this is the end of today's vlog. It's a morning routine, 5 a.m. morning routine with me. And right now it's almost 8 o'clock. I have dropped madam in school, like school bus came to pick her up anyway. So right now it's time for me time, which is to do my exercise and do the rest of my routine. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give the video a huge massive thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you have not, share, but if you comment, and I'll see you all in my next video. Yeah, I'll see you guys later.